this is Ethan here, and today, well actually tonight, I'm going to be reviewing Wankster trucks. Alright, so you can get them in 3 colors, black, silver or like chrome, and white. And the black ones and the white ones are like powder coated, but it's like super smooth. But after a while, they will grind down a little bit, and then it'll be like chrome once they're grinded down a bit. But they look like super sick. Like they set up like white and black. Awesome Wankster deck too, by the way. And they come with well, these ones have Creekwood tuning, but Juan is getting, he's soon getting his own kingpins, his own tuning, and they're pretty hard to get in, but luckily the trucks will come tuned, so you don't have to like bust your ass trying to tune them like I did last night for like 3 hours. Yeah, it's pretty crazy stripping them and stuff anyways. But yeah, and the axles are like the kingpins. They use an Allen key, and you just screw them into the truck, and they go in pretty far, so they're super solid, and they like help perform it so much. So it's like amazing, and they don't ever get loose or anything. Just like be careful and like take your time when you're screwing them in, or Allen keying them in or whatever. Like don't just like go crazy with it, you know, like strip them or something. Make sure they're threaded, they're gonna like go into the threads right, and just take your time. But it's not like they're hard or anything, but they're super easy. And I don't know, those just make like the deck perform so much better. It's really nice, and you can easily fit dual bearing wheels and wheel washers with these. They're really awesome, really helpful. That's what makes these trucks really good, and they're wide trucks, so yeah, like I'm guessing like 29.5 around there probably. And it's about it, I guess. And here's the chrome ones. I don't have any white ones. Yeah, and the base plates are colored too, to the same truck color. Yeah, I have to admit, these trucks are really nice for their money. For like 12 bucks or 10 bucks or whatever they're. Really recommend getting some. Super nice trucks. Oh yeah, and they also make your bearing wheels feel like they roll so much smoother. Like, okay, I'm still practicing that vert. I'm not the best, okay? Don't make fun of me. Alright, yeah. So, definitely recommend getting these trucks. Go to wanksterdecks.com. Check them out for yourself. You will be impressed. They're awesome. Alright. See ya.